Welcome to another video. We are at the American Car Show at the Upton Blues Festival, July 2026.
It's got all this sort of stuff on there.
Oh, yeah, last time we went, when I last year, we cost us
8.
double.
But that's nice to get to put the other irons down.
The one shot that we
Oh, I know.
he's already with them.
Hello.
do that, so if you got a spoon, so what's this?
Do you want the lid, do you?
Oh, do you mind? Okay. Just making a YouTube video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. If you,
Oh, should we go ahead?
You got your own channel of it?
yeah, if you,
We're gonna hit the
it's all right. You don't need to. Okay. If you want to see it when I get round to posting it, the channel's Ron2256.
Ron 2256.
See, yeah, no, I think we just did this at Campari's at 8 o'clock. We're here last night. These cars left.
Sorry to everybody who didn't win anything, but that's it for today. If you want to join in the raffle tomorrow, if you're here, then come and see us for more raffle tickets. Thanks very much, everybody.
Oh yeah. We came with the dog, and obviously.
It was not.
Yeah, I haven't got